Their stars have planets just like the sun, but there are also what are called rogue exoplanets, which are planets outside of our solar system that orbit no stars. Those are a bit harder to study.
Do they form the same way that stars form, just like a nebula and there's like gas
A
that comes
planet in
together?
general, or
Like
a
these
rogue
rogue
planet?
planets,
The
or
rogue
sometimes they're
planets,
kicked off.
yeah. Well, there's two hypotheses for how you get a rogue planet. The first is that they could just form in space, right? Like the stuff that you need to form planets and stars is in space. Stars in that formation process do a good job of bringing everything together and putting it into a disk. So you kind of get an abundance of heavy metals that could form into a planet. But it's possible that you could collapse a smaller gas column to form like a Jupiter-sized planet, so a gas giant that's not quite a star and maybe not even quite a brown dwarf. So there's the idea that you could form rogue exoplanets that way, and then the other way is that they just get kicked out of their systems. And dynamical simulations show that this is a common occurrence.
What would kick a planet out of a solar system?
Look at a solar system like ours. You know, we got the 4 rocky planets in close, the 4 gas giants further out. What this configuration tells you is that there's stability here. When you look at a system, whatever you see is what was stable over a long time period. But that's not necessarily what the system looked like in the beginning. You could imagine our solar system having a couple more planets that formed early on, but the configuration was not stable. There's gravitational tugs from other planets. Every once in a while, you may have a planet that gets nudged towards the star and then does like a gravitational swing around it and gets kicked out of the system.